Protecting your house from water infiltration really starts during the design phase. It's important to site the house properly so that the water can be graded away from it. To start with, you would come in and you need to clean the debris off the footing before the damp proofing is applied. You can see where I've brushed some of it off back here, but not up in here. So if that's brushed off and you get a nice clean footing, and then you apply the damp proofing to the wall and over the top of the footing. Then we'll come in and we'll put drain tile in. The drain tile is a black flexible corrugated pipe that runs around the perimeter of the house over top of the damp proofing. We will cover that with gravel and wrap it all with fabric to keep silt from getting in and contaminating it. As the water collects against the side of the house, what we want it to do is drain down into that drain tile where it will be collected into your sump pump and pumped outside to daylight. The other thing that I think gets overlooked a lot is the quality of the backfill. You have high plastic soil content, you need to carry all that dirt off-site and bring in good clean fill to put up against the house. Another important factor during construction is the design and the selection of the gutters that go around the outside of the house. We use an oversized gutter as standard only because it'll carry a lot more water. We also use a lot of metal roofs, so the water leaves the roof very quickly. These are just a few of the things that we do as standard operating procedure to try to make sure that your house will not be susceptible to water intrusion.